Dr. Hank. Good morning and welcome to our podcast. We're very glad to have you here.
Well, thank you, Pedro. A pleasure to be on the Angel Real Estate Podcast.
Please go ahead and introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your experience and in the real estate world.
Sure. They call me Dr. Hank because I'm a mental scientist, and I've been fortunate enough to understand how powerful our thoughts are and how thoughts create things. And I have lots of extensive real estate experience. I've been in the real estate industry for over 20 years, on mortgage company, real estate company, built my real estate company up to 420 agents. And now what I do is I mainly help real estate agents and brokers become the greatest possibility to build not only their business, but also their wealth.
Wow. Is this done through seminars, workshops, one-on-one counseling?
Yeah. I've actually am the author of 21 books. And so I have a lot of books on them. I speak internationally. And so that kind of slowed down through the pandemic. And I have, like, for example, on Mondays at noon Central Time, I have a group called the Master Heart Family. And basically it's just people with open hearts that come together. And we talk about the miracles that happen in our life, and that I help them to understand how we can have even more miracles of what we want to be able to experience and have our dreams come true.
And is this for all walks of life, or is it mostly focused on real estate?
Well, my niche is real estate because of all my experience with real estate. And so I do that for real estate, but I've helped people that have come to me with multiple sclerosis and help them walk after not walking for 35 years without a walker, or help people overcome cancer, help people, normally it's teens or early 20s, people overcoming, they have suicidal tendencies. So basically my teaching that I have to really help anybody in any walk of life in anything. Again, because of my experience in real estate, I love to help the real estate agents and brokers to increase their business. And so it goes from being very practical, like some exclusive lead programs that are really connecting with people and about how you're thinking about your business, connecting with people and growing your business, and then help people to really have go from that to really calling on our greater power. And there are energies, it's angel real estate, and you're angel real estate, and I actually, these divine energies that we call angels, that I actually call them in, and I'm able to channel answers and solutions for people.